This is the fort, guys. We're here with the awesome Rusty Magnets crew. And Jen. So, we're checking out our fort today for Fort We Ought Not in Indiana. So, let's do it. So this is a 1700s trading post for the French colonists. It has been held by French colonists. It's been held by the British. It's been held by American colonists, and it's also been held by Native Americans. So, huge trading post right on a river.
Thank you.
Yeah. And then this is the river. See, the water is all flowing that way. And guess where the bridge is? That way.
It's just straight up right to my pinky.
This is the river. Clay! That right there. That's poison ivy. That's the boat launch. Can you imagine this right here? This exact same river is where people would literally come in here, get off the banks on their canoes, and come up here and trade. Yeah, that sounds low. Dude, that was low.
Oh, man. I don't know.
Don't think you guys can see it in the video, but Fort We Ought Not, that's where we are. Extends 6 miles to the southwest. Lies the Great Wea Plain. It's an ancient home for the Indians who were related to the Miamis, inhabiting the region since the 17th century. This area is also beloved for its temperate climate, rich provisions for food, and was described by one of their chiefs in 1795 as the sepulchre of our ancestors.
Dun, da, da, da. Captain Clay.
I am Zorro.
Oh, you weirdo, get that off me.
I am Zorro.
Hang me down.
Oh, a butterfly.
Where?
Oh. Whoop, whoop. Looks like an old nail. Freaking old, whatever it is. So check this out, guys. Some sort of old nail. What the? I just dropped it. I just dropped it. Way to go, Brad. Oh, yeah, baby. Here's the sun. Woo! Ow! You bastard! Come on! Got to have something! I got to get it! Go! Woo-hoo! I was talking to myself. What happened? Ooh, got something. Got something. I can tell. Oh yeah. What is it? What is it? Somebody losing a rebar? Yeah. Big old rebar. Oh! I did. Oh, there's a breeze again. Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah, I know. All right, where are you at, tree? There you are. I got it. Yeah. Yeah. Woo! What we got? Come on, baby. Give me something good. Give me something good. Tell me that you love me. What do we get, guys? What do we get? What do we get? What do we get? Ooh, buddy. Big nail, little nail, some really thick plate. That's thick. I don't know what that is, but that is, I don't know what that is. So guys, I'm not sure. This looks like a button of some sort. I don't know what that is.
Brad got some stuff over here.
I don't know what that is.
This is.
Really don't know. I don't know what the hell that is.
It's a button of some sort.
It is. And then this was that thick plate.
Nice.
I don't even know. But that's thick.
That actually might be worth keeping cleaning up to see what that is.
Yeah, because I don't know. That's pretty neat. Dude, when I saw that plate on there, the way it was on there, I thought it was a gun. I was like, oh! Oh! And then I was like, oh. My magnet just stuck to my phone. Alright. Oh, yeah. That was a good throw. Ooh. Ooh. That was a bite. What the heck? I don't know what I just bit onto, but that wasn't even back. Ooh, now I have had the time of my life. I give it all to you. Oh. No, don't do that. Why you do that? What we got, guys? Got a spark plug. Got some old metal scrap. Big old nut for something. All this little stuff. Whew! Yeah. All this little stuff out here. Alright. Going another round. Whoop whoop. You got to go dig those holes. See what we can grab, guys. See what we can grab. Kratos, baby. Yeah. Oh. Felt something smack it. I don't know what happened. Ooh. Gotta smack her. Gotta smack it. Kerplunk. You said you wanted arm day, right? Okay. Yeah, buddy. It's arm day. Arm day. Man, why'd you go that way? Yeah. Woo! It's up to the females. But it felt heavy. Probably just because I'm lugging the magnet all day long, you know. Hey, Jen, I found you a baby seashell. It's a wee baby. get some rope going here. Because it's a ways. All right. Do it. Where do I want to? Where's the? You're right there. I could go over here. Right? Yeah, should be able to. No. Yeah. Should be alright. Alright. Sculpt your uncle. Ah! I lost my button! Dang it! Man! That's a turtle? Turtle! Am I not turtly enough? Come on, baby. Give me something good. Tell me that you love me. Yeah. Some sort of metal. What is that? Doesn't look like a rock. It's some sort of old metal as well. Screw. All right. Yeah, baby. Yahtzee. Been working on my magnet. Rock's not magnetic. Bull hockey. Oh. What? Why you do that? Got me a spark plug. I did. Ow, you bastard. Yeah. It's not a high traffic bridge, and then all y'all come down here.